Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've got the Chromecast and Mini Projector powered. Now start the connection. First, plug Chromecast into the projector HDMI or into an HDMI adapter if needed, then connect power. Next, open Google Home on your phone. The app finds devices when both the phone and the projector are on the same Wi-Fi. Once you see the new device, tap to begin setup. Make sure to choose the correct 2, 4 or 5 GHz band if the projector is picky, so discovery completes. Once the Chromecast is linked, configure the video and audio path. In Google Home, choose the projector device, then set the resolution to match the projector, commonly 720p or 1080p, so images aren't stretched. Adjust the projector keystone and focus to get a sharp picture. This reduces perceived lag and makes text readable. For sound, select whether audio plays through the projector speakers or an external speaker via 3.5mm jack or Bluetooth. This prevents lip sync issues and improves clarity. Now you're ready to cast. Open a cast-enabled app on your phone or Chrome browser on PC, tap the cast icon, and choose the Chromecast tied to the projector. Use app controls to play, pause, or stop. Only mirror your screen when necessary, because mirroring uses more bandwidth and drains battery. If the image doesn't appear, reboot the Chromecast and projector, reseat the HDMI, and verify both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi. One key tip: reduce other network traffic if video stutters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.